Yo, what's up guys? Lukas Hannover here with another video. Today we will be doing an unboxing. That's right. What you see right here is a 13-inch Apple MacBook Air. Received it yesterday, new in the box, from JB Hi-Fi. So, let's crack it open, shall we? It'll take a bit of strength to get this thing open. Actually, no, it won't. Okay, now that is a nice looking laptop. Alright, so what we have here is a 13-inch MacBook Air, and I don't care if I'll get sued for copyright for showing the Apple logo. Basically, don't give a damn. It's in space grey, and I have to say it looks extremely nice. Let's do a further unboxing of the laptop out of here. Okay, so we have the laptop itself. Charging cable, which actually looks quite nice. I'm guessing the instruction booklet. Or information. I don't know what the hell it is. Oh, and some extra stickers. And hold on. Oh, and the wall adapter, which is covered in some waxy paper stuff to protect it. So the information booklet, instruction booklet or preparation, stickers, and the ridiculous amount of packaging. But hey ho, that's Apple for you. And yeah, that's about it for now. So let's crack open the computer, see what the features are. Let me get this wafer paper stuff off. Taking absolute care in unwrapping this, because this is a brand new laptop and I do not want it damaged. And that is one snazzy looking laptop. Actually, now I'll put the packaging in the box. Now ignore that. As you know, that is the starting sequence for every Apple computer device. And it looks like we've got all sorts of other languages aside from English, which is nice of Apple to do, but yeah, it's natural. As you can see, we have what looks to be a orange flower, obviously. Anyway, that's it for today. Tune in next time when I have another device or item to unbox. And see you later.